हेलो गाइस, कैसे हो आप सब। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त दर्श और आप देख रहे हो गेमिंग विद दर्श यूट्यूब चैनल। गाइस, प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक करना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना और शेयर करना। बाय गाइस।
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong, one shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging.
I've been keeping real, I've been doing what I feel, I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They've been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone.
I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They going to school and they working a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box, nobody telling me what I should rock, nobody telling me what I should drop, cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring, I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master, I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to. Everybody wanna get a win, but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you, but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool, but they not new. Whoa, look how I go, gonna be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gonna lose cause I'm still doing both. Never gonna lose cause I've been on the road. Come to your state and I'm killing the show. Know that I'm young and I still gotta grow. Know that I'm working the most, know I'm never gonna choke, and I'm looking back down on the people below.
I've been keeping real, I've been doing what I feel, I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They've been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone.
Big Gemini Sways, RPG Waves, MSC Waves, you about to take over this shit, you heard?
Hey yo, Nat, you go crazy.
RPG to GMNS. Gang, 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 gang. Them bullets rain. If my mans fall down, he say no names. Respect the game for my in the chain gang. Behind the cage, we gon' blow a bag a day. Yeah. The streets my safe, yeah. Gang, 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 gang. I'm spitting pain. My big bro was twirling gang bang. It's just a phase. In the spot, we got the blangs. So swipe the face. Couple bands up on the chain. I guess I'm paid, yeah. We up. I spend the bed and my feet up. They just gon' hate, they can't be us. Foreigners, all of the cars when we link up. Exclusive designer, that's Dio. We pop the ones that the girls wanna see more. Oh, my little uncle can see more. More than the streets, and yeah, I boost the ego. I'm back to the speaker, I'm number one, I don't pay for a feature. Oh, she hold it down, she a keeper. She put it on for the gang like Lakeisha. CG uncle, he gon' hit like Serena. Garbo gon' play with the rocks like he Venus. I am the goal, there's no need for repeating. Rerunning down, please don't make us repeat it. Brody got luck for the Nina, we put it on in the streets, they can't beat us. Put my soul in this like Aretha. Working, I'm slaving, I don't need a breather. K-Rick in the spot, we won't D-up. Please gonna flock, coming from Rio. And my little man's gonna re-up. I call up Aggie, we getting in breach mode. Gang, 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 gang. Them bullets rain. If my mans fall down, he say no names. Respect the game for my in the chain gang. Behind the cage, we gon' blow a bag a day. Yeah. The streets my safe, yeah. Gang, 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 gang. I'm spitting pain. My big bro was twirling gang bang. It's just a phase. In the spot, we got the blangs. So swipe the face. Couple bands up on a chain. I guess I'm paid, yeah. Wish Brody was here, but he never coming out. Wish Roy was here, but he took another route. Is that coming out? And Taji had called me and said that I got it. Wavy had showed me gorillas and goblins from with killing and robbing. I'm from the 30s and 50s when they hear you shooting, but they's not gonna no talking. Clock paint the bitch, I'm talking. That's your homie, oh damn, he was talking. If I call Bam Bam for a problem, he solve it. Call Shaq for a beat, it's a new hit. It's a new hit. If I called you for a 10 away, it's some new drip. Bounce and spade on my chest, got shot by Cupid. 550 bands, make it stupid. 2-3 bands, make her feel ruthless. Mom's in pain, so I roast. With gang, we gon' see millions. I said, Gee, who owned them buildings? Package ship and drugs was dealing. I did wrong before I was stealing. Safe to say that I learned my lesson before you complain, but count your gang, 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 gang. Them bullets rain. If my mans fall down, he say no names. Respect the game for my in the chain gang. Behind the cage, we gon' blow a bag a day. Yeah. The streets my safe, yeah. Bang, 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 bang. I'm spitting pain. My big bro was twirling gang bang. It's just a phase. In the spot, we got the blangs. So swipe the face and you gon' play the game. It's on replay, yeah. Gang, gang, gang. RPG for life. RPG for life. We might take your wife.
गाइस आई होप आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक